I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I'm just wanted to talk to you about the August raffle. And the raffle prize this time is a Tamiya 1/72nd scale kit of the de Havilland Mosquito, but the kit is signed by someone who flew the Mossie during World War II, amongst many other things. His name is George Dunn. He earned the DFC and the Légion d'honneur during the Second World War. This kit was very kindly sent to me by Mark from Model Works down in New Haven. Mark, guys there, thank you so very much for this very generous donation. The box has been signed by George Dunn, a Royal Air Force bomber pilot from World War II. He served 2 tours on Halifax bombers in numbers 10 and 76 squadrons, at some time serving under the legendary Leonard Cheshire. Among his many operations was the raid on Peenemünde, the German research lab that created the V1 and V2 weapons. George later joined 608 Squadron Flying Mosquitoes as part of No. 8 Pathfinder Group, making precision raids at night. Towards the end of the war, he flew Mosquitoes again with 1409 Flight Royal Air Force, making long-range weather reconnaissance flights supporting the Allied advance into Germany. For his wartime service, George Dunn was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross and the Croix de Guerre. The kit itself is in 1/72nd scale, as I mentioned, and when it's complete it will be about 18 centimetres long and 23 centimetres wide. That's about 7.5 inches long and 9 inches wide in old money. It comes with decal schemes for 3 different aircraft. 2 are the B Mark 6 or the FB Mark 6 fighter bomber, and the other is the NF2 Night Fighter scheme. To enter, go to the website listed here below. The link to this is also in the information box. And when you're there, you need to fill in your information just so that we know where to send the prize should you be the lucky winner. To be in with a chance of winning the prize, what you need to do is answer a question using your skill and knowledge. Once you've answered that correctly, then you're able to purchase some raffle tickets for the prize draw. Now, the tickets are £1 each, but there are multi-buys available. So if you buy 5 tickets, you'll get 1 free. If you buy 10 tickets, you'll get 4 free. And if you buy 20 tickets, I'll give you 10 tickets for free. The raffle lasts until the end of the 18th of August. That's a Sunday, the 18th of August. And it's the end of the day in British summer time. At the end of the day, Raffle, who are hosting the event, will automatically pick one of the winning tickets at random, and that person will receive their prize. Now, no matter where you are in the world, I will send the prize to you at my own expense, so you won't have to pay out anything for it. Just like Aston in Texas, USA, who last month won the ICM Fubai Combat Base Set.
And as a nice gesture, Gary even autographed it for us. With my best wishes to a Texas good old boy, keep modeling, Gary. Thank you very much, Gary.
As usual, 10% of the proceeds from the competition will be going to Models for Heroes, an outstanding charity helping former members of our armed forces and our blue light first responders who are dealing with mental health issues as a result of their service to our country. This superb charity can also be contacted through the link below, www.modelsforheroes.org.uk. This link is also repeated in the information box below. That's it, good luck, and I look forward to sending this amazing prize to its new home very soon. Bye bye.